Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to show you how to make a pong game with two players in Scratch. Let's start. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's start. First of all, we will just make a backdrop so we can play the pawn. We will delete the background one. So now we will choose a rectangle, and you will just choose blue or any color of your choice. I will choose blue, and I will just make a big rectangle. Okay, now it's on the screen. Now we will make one more rectangle here. First for that, we want to make some lines, and the line should be the same color, or you can just make little bit different like this. Uh, okay, it's the good. I will make a line. It's wrong. Okay, and now we will make one more line at the top. So for the score box, okay. Now we will choose rectangle, and we will just color here yellow. Okay, it will color yellow. Okay, good. Now it's done. Now we want one more rectangle that should be the color some like it should be red. So first you will just do a mistake that it should be not line. So now the line should be also the same color. Like if I have choose the yellow, so it should be also the yellow. Okay, now I will choose the color red for that. Color red. Okay then. So now we will make one more rectangle for the score of second and first player. Okay, now our backdrop is ready. We will just delete the sprite one, and now we will choose paddle. Okay, and we will just duplicate it like this. Duplicate. Okay, and now here we want to do that in paddle one. We will do that in paddle one, and we will go in events. We will click on when clicked, and now we will go in motions, go to x and y, and you can choose by your own. Well, I will choose to 220 degrees, and it will be 3. Okay, now we will pick point in direction, and here we will choose 0. Okay, now you will when you will click, you can see that, but it should be here. So you can just choose your own. So look, this is minus 2 and 220. So I will just right here, two, two, two. Okay, and in Y position we have minus 5. Okay. Now when you will click, it will be on the place. Okay. Now we will go in customs, and we will do here that we will just fill it with the color. You can choose any color for that. You can remember that this is mine. So I will just make it black. Uh, to get the width for the color, we will just tap on it, and we will choose black. Okay, now it's done. Now we will go in script, and we will choose forever, and we will choose if then. Okay, in if then we will do that. We will go in sensings, and we will take the block called key space press. Here we will choose S. Sorry, up. It will be up. And in second, now we will go in motion and we will pick change y by change y by 5. Okay, now we will just take we will just duplicate it, and here we will now choose here -5. Now in -5 we will now choose it down. Okay, now as you can see that if we will tap on screen, if you will do up and down, if you will click on up and down arrow, so it will move. I think so. It's on the yellow line. So now what we will do, we will just bring it little bit forward, like here. Now it's -20, 220. So we will change it. Just uh, see that if it is on the line yellow red, so it will be wrong. Okay. Now here we will now choose 11. Okay. Now it's done. Now we will go in parallel 2. We will just take from here and we will copy here. Okay, is it there? We will click again here, so it will be disappear. Okay, so it's the problem. So what we will do now here, we will do again the duplicate, and we will delete this, and we will rename it 2, parallel 2. 2. So okay, now what we will do here is we will bring it here. Okay. Now what is the you can see that it is now the size, now the exposition is 2 1 and 214. So we will change it or it will be disappear. Okay, 214 and it will be 14. Okay, and now we will use here W for up arrow, because W stands for up arrow. Okay, W, and for down S. Yes. Okay. Now, when you will start, you will see that when you will click on W, it will go up and S. Look like this. Now we will go in sprites. In sprites, we will pick ball. Oh, this. Okay. And we will just keep it in the middle. So now we will go in events. Okay. Now what we will do, we will go in. So now we will go in motions. We will pick go to X and Y. We will choose it 0. Okay. Now then we will do. We will pick point in direction, and we will choose 45. Okay. And now we will go in forever. We will pick forever. And now, what we will do, we will go in motion. We will pick move 10 steps. And then we will choose if on edge bounce. So now we will go in control and we will pick if then, and if then now we will we will go in sensing and we will choose point touching mouse pointer. Now we will choose paddle. And now here what we will do, we will go in motion and we will pick turn 15 degrees. Here we will choose 180 degrees. Okay, now we will copy this. Okay, and now here we will choose paddle 2. Okay, now you will just join them and put in the loop. Okay, now so we will when you will see that when it will just touch the yellow, so it will just do like this. Okay, now we will go in variables. We will make a variable called player 1, player 1 score. Okay, here now we will pick set player 1 player variable 2, and again, and here we will choose now we will make one more variable called player 2 score, player 2 score. Okay, so now first we will choose score 1, player 1, and second we will choose player 2 score. Okay, and now we will just put it like that. Okay, for now we will not use that. After when it will be, so when then we will. Okay, now we will go in event. We will pick when clicked, and now we will go in forever, and then we will choose if then. Okay, and now in if then we will just go in sensing. Then we will pick touching mouse pointer. Oh, sorry, touching color. So here we and this will do that if the ball will touch red or yellow, so if it will touch the yellow though, so the player 2 will get get the score. If the ball touched to red, the yellow will get the score. So now we will click on the color, and we will choose this. Okay, now first we will choose the yellow color. Okay, and here now we will go in variables. We will pick change my variable by 1, and here we will choose score player 2, and now we will go in variable control. Then we will pick wait until not in operators, color text. Okay, and in another we will just copy it. Okay, duplicate, and here now in this color we will choose um, this color red. Okay, we will choose the color red. Okay, and in same we will choose a red. Done. Okay, done. So now we will choose score player 1. Okay, so let's see the game. And here we will just do that. We will make it large radiator, both. It will be here and it will be here. Okay, let's start. Here it is. Then it will okay. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you in next video.